Oh, this is a good smart shop. Yep. Yeah, I need that smart shop. Pretty dope stuff out here. You out here in Augusta, check it out every Saturday. Dope market. Good scenery, good people, good views. Oh, this is some good ass barbecue right here. I ain't even gonna lie. Did you see this? Yeah, this barbecue hits right here. For the barbecue sauce. Let's see. Get some sea moss out here too. Yeah. Augusta, Georgia, y'all. Pretty dope. Riverfront. They got some good ass food over here. Not gonna lie. Let's take around the food. Obviously. Yeah. I got to make food up there. No cones right there. Check out some of the prices too. Come down. Check out this right here. It's going well. They got chopped food jerk. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm letting other people know. Maybe they come down to Augusta. They come down here and check it out. And they got Earth Guard. Pretty cool. How you doing, brother? Look, they got these shirts right here. And we at the Augusta market. You want the same thing?
Hey, come out here and holler at us, man.
All right, that's dope. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna come check this stuff out. Let's see. They got more food. Oh, they even got things and stuff. I like this. All right, so check. Let's move back around this way. Excuse me, young man. What's going on, brother? Oh, here's some more food they got down here too. Have this phone. Then let's see if I leave. Hey, top Korean street food down here. Good, man. They got more sea moss. This right here is the marketplace every Saturday in Augusta. Right there. And then the Squiggles Eats right here. Go check it out. Nice food right here. Yep. Check out right there too. You ever come down here and check it out? That's it. Oh yeah, this is dope right here, y'all. Check it out. Yeah. If y'all want to check out the cakes they got down here, every Saturday they Augusta market. How y'all ladies doing? Yeah, they got a lot of good food down here. What's going on, brother? How you feeling today?
All right. I hope y'all tip them here.
Oh, we definitely will. We definitely will. How you doing, brother? They got more snow cones. Got a little presentation right there. This is Sunday at Augusta Market, Mary Kay. Sorry, me. More food right here. They even got a sourdough shop right here. Pretty cool. Let's see. And you know the boiled peanuts. They got all that right here too. And local raw honey. More lemonade. The Mayor's Creation. Pretty good too. How you doing? I'm just showing my friends all of this what they got down here. So check this out. If y'all come down here to Augusta and you want to check out the market. So, you see I'm in Georgia. They got it up a house state though. Good lemonade. Tupperware. You got the catering. And chunky bowls, pretty good. Chicken cuts. the right honey spot. Yeah, right here. Ooh, it's hot. Got more stuff in the shop.
They know they're gonna hear.
Here's Cornerstone Creations. Oh, hey, what's going on? I'm doing well. I'm just showing people what's going on in here in Augusta. So if you don't mind, I'm just showing my people. So yeah, you come down here every Saturday to Augusta Market, man. You'll like it. You'll enjoy it. Let's see. Got this right here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I walk around. Kettle corn. And of course, got a lot of honey down here. And yeah, the Riverwalk. Right here off of 8th and Reynolds. Y'all have a great time, y'all.